chabvunduka the ruling party ZANU-PF kuonekwa kunzi chokwati chinosibuda pachena kuti people, even those ZANU-PF members, they are not comfortable, they are not accepting this CAB3. Zarapena mashuko buda pacholo kunzi in a WhatsApp group, especially WhatsApp group racholo kunzi the ruling party ZANU-PF. People have rejected the CAB3. Zvaita kuti we do not know could the clerk or the person who wrote out the poll might be fired. Noda kuti expose the regime. Sara bila mashuko mdanjo kupangwa ino. Level subscribe or like on the bell icon. My channel sana poster is post ya muri kuona in that poll in the WhatsApp group as ZANU-PF otanganyora chiti. This is why they don't like a referendum. Parliament of Zimbabwe has done a survey which is very hard for the clerk of parliament to ignore. With this damning survey, it's either the one who is conducting it will be fired or they will deny the WhatsApp group. They may also read the survey and post this picture. Amurpona can say, do you support the Constitution Amendment Bill number 3? Yes or no? Tona kuti bangwa ine the people who affirm the vachiti yes panosvika 1.9 thousand those who are supporting the bill, and bangwa ine tona the people who are rejecting it varukuti no vanosvika more than 9,000 those who are against. We are talking of the people vari this community aiwa ZANU-PF. But developments are buda pangwa ine onzi zvakaoma pangwa ine tiona kuti their own supporters they are rejecting what they started. Pangwa ine just buda pachena kuti ma true colors people, yes, they might be collecting gifts pachena chinokusapotai, but inside people are was interested. Toma developments are buda kunyoka pangwa ine pina comment section menu mbotu samafunguro enimo tukilipa msobe chitiko ichi na yata kuna manjara jaros panawezema constitutional amendments. Pina comment section menu zofunguro enyo so subscribe or like chita on the bell.